So, good morning, all of you. Today, I will be showing you how to register AICTE Atal FDP workshop. So, just type in your Google Chrome. Just type in Atal. So, and then press enter. So, you'll able to see this. So, Atal Government of India All India Council for Technical Education. So, press this. Then you'll be having a page like this. Okay. So, in this page, so here web portal login is there. You should not go to web portal login. So you need to go up for sign up. So if you have already signed up for this Atal AICT FDP training, then you can go for login. So first I'll show you how to sign up. Just click sign up over here. Then you'll be having general instruction bar information for participants. So you read this and click OK. So you'll be having a participants registration portal. So select your role over here, select it as participant, then title. So according to your title, select your title as Mr. or Mrs. according to your title. Then type in your name. So then type in your name, then give your date of birth. So I'll be giving my date of birth. So after giving your date of birth, give your gender. Then type in your mail ID, then give your phone number, then type in your password and then confirm your password. Okay, so the password must be alphanumeric. So the password must be like capital letter, it should contain one capital letter, and it should contain a small letter, and it should contain one special character. So if my name is Varun, then I will be keeping my password as capital VARUN at 1992. Okay, so after keeping your password, then give the confirm your password and then click on sign up. Okay, after signing up, you will be receiving a confirmation mail to the mail id you have provided over here. So you need to log in into your mail and then verify that it is you. So once you have verified your password, then again go to here, then you need to click on login. So after clicking on login, so you'll be asking your email ID and then you'll be popped up with the password. So then you need to give your email ID that you have used during your registration and then give your password. So already my email ID and password are stored here. So directly I'll be giving here sign in. So after sign in, it will be asking the participant details. So already I have filled in my participant details. So since already I have filled in my, it will be asking the participants details like this. So each and individual participant details you need to give. So alternate email ID, I have given my college email ID, then I'll be giving my address, so state, then my employment ID, then I'll be giving my experience, and after giving all these details, you need to click on save. So after clicking on save, so it will be saved once like this. Okay, so once if the participant details are confirmed, you can apply for as many number of workshops you need. Okay, then go to click on workshops. So you can select the state over here. So to register to our workshop conducted at GMIT, so you need to click at Karnataka. So state you need to select it as Karnataka. The our workshop is conducted during August, so click on month August. Then let the trust area be all, or you can give the trust area as engineering and then select the mode. So our workshop is conducted online, so I'll be giving it as online. So after giving here, so you can see here our FDP. So you can see over here our FDP, so GM Institute of Technology, so faculty development program on VLSI IP design approach to SRAM compiler design. Okay, to apply for this workshop, you need to click on apply this plus button, and you can also click here to download the workshop brochure. So I'll click for this. So once you have applied and got approved by respective coordinator, you cannot cancel it. So you can apply only 4 FDPs in this year anta kelutte. So then click on confirm. So since I've already applied for this workshop, so already applied for this workshop ಅಂತ ಅಂದು ತೋರಿಸುತ್ತೆ. I am the coordinator also for this workshop and I'll be applying. So once you have applied for the workshop, and you can check here, click here, and you can see all the applied workshops by here. So here, so I have applied for other two workshops conducted from KLE Technological University and JNNCE. See here the status is applied over here. Since I am the coordinator for this workshop, here my status will be approved. So if you want to deregister from the workshop, then you can click on cancel application. So thank you all. So this is how you can apply and register in AICT portal, AICT Atal workshops. So please do register for our workshop conducted at GMIT Institute of Technology on the topic VLSI IP design approach to SRAM compiler design. Thank you. Stay safe. Have a nice day.